Hello Photoshop users. Today we will learn how to install Griddify extension in Photoshop. We can easily create any type of grid of any size or any type with this extension. So first we have to turn on the debug mode in Photoshop. After turning it on, we can use any extension. So double click this register file. Now press yes and OK. Debug mode is now turned on in any version of Photoshop. You can download both files from description link. Now open Griddify extension. You can find the install directory location and Griddify extension. You can find two folders, on for is CC and on for is CS. There are separate installed directories for both versions. You will find the installed directory in text file. Now open File Explorer. Now open C drive and go to Program Files, Common Files, Adobe, CEP, and go to Extension. Now copy Griddify CC version, not CS6. Just copy to the directory and continue. You will find Griddify necessary files in this folder. Now to test, let's open Photoshop. I'm using latest version. Now create any new file or open existing one. Just create. Now to enable Griddify, click Window and Extension, click Griddify. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.